Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add table here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a table in Canva is a straightforward process that can serve various creative and practical purposes, especially when organizing information or presenting data in a visually appealing way. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the Create a Design if you haven't already. In my case, I'm going to be using the YouTube thumbnails because after recording this video, we will upload this video using a highly engaging and creative thumbnail. Now, in this case, I need you to go to the elements, and there are multiple ways for you to create a table or add a table in Canva. Number one is on the search bar here. I want you to type in table and press enter. What will happen, and these are going to be some of your options. If you click on the see all, all right, these are going to be your primary example wherein you can choose a color. For example, this one right here. You can choose this and a lot, all right? You can choose this kind of table if you wanted. You can choose a different color, you see? And you can use this one as well. So there's a lot that you can work with. All right. So these are some of the options. And of course, that's one way. You can put a text if you wanted inside this one. For example, I'm going to be putting it something like this inside the table. Drag it here. Maybe a little bit of these like that. All right. That's one way. Another way is manually creating a table for that. So I'm going to the elements again. Instead, I'm going to search for a shape. All right. Exit this table, going to shapes. I'm going to choose the square table. And I'm going to shape it like a semi table like we had earlier, right? For example, this, I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl plus C, which is copy, and then Ctrl plus V if you're using Windows PC to paste it, right? So these are going to be some of the options for you to create a table. If you think that there's no better options on the position earlier, all right? Now I'm going to drag this one again here. Probably put in a different color, like a white. You see that? Now, on the border style, you can put in a different color. So that's going to be like a table, right? All I have to do is copy that and create as many tables as you can, all right? Of course, we can add another text here. Text box, say for example, table. Let's choose a different font style, maybe Gagolin, and drag this to this side, make it a little bit bigger. And of course, you can simply copy the table text to all of it. All right, so this is option number 2. Now, the third option is we are going to use Google Sheet as the platform to create tables or customize tables. For example, in this one right here. Okay, I'm going to be choosing the maybe gradebook, or I don't know, maybe this one for now, the paid traffic report. All right, so this is going to be the table that I wanted to work with. All right. Now I'm going to rename this as this one right here. If I'm happy with that, all I have to do is click on File, and I'm gonna download it as a PDF, CSV, and a lot more. But for now, I'm gonna click on PDF. In the PDF, I have a lot of options. Export the current sheet, or the entire workbook, or the selected file, which is gonna be F6. Now, I'm just gonna click on the current sheet for now. The paper size is gonna be all these. If you wanted to have a custom style, you are welcome to do that as well. You can have the page orientation for landscape or portrait, but I'm gonna choose the landscape for now. The fit to width, fit to height, fit to page. I'm gonna use this one. Margins are normal, narrow, maybe wide if you wanted. I'm gonna choosing normal. Formatting is show grid lines, show notes. I'm gonna make it sure that that's included. Once I'm happy with that, all I have to do is click on export. Now inside the canvas that I'm working with, I'm gonna add another page. Click on the file on the upper left corner and click on import files, and I'm going to import the PDF that I have created in the Google Sheets. All right. And of course, all I have to do is click on choose files. Now, once it's loaded, just wait for it. Now, as you can see, the PDF has been added, and this is going to be our customized table. So you have more control and more dynamics inside it. You see, you can actually drag and resize all the elements that you wanted inside this design. You have an option for the background remover, but the thing is, it requires a premium subscription. But don't worry, because you have the edit button here, wherein you can have more control over the filters like fresco, belvedere, intensity. You see that? You can put in some shadows, like a glow, all of these under your disposals. All right? Because tables allow for easy collaboration with team members, your freelancers, or maybe your boss or your client when working on Canva, especially when data needs to be updated or edited. These reasons make tables a versatile feature in Canva, providing aesthetic and functional benefits, especially when you need to present information in an organized and visually appealing way. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.